So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on Startup Apps. And now in this list right here, if you see Logitech Download Assistant, you want to disable it from startup. I don't have it on my computer, but in your case, if it says Logitech Download Assistant, you want to click on it and then click on Disable, which will now make the status disabled. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it and then click on Yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK Local Machine. And now you want to expand Software. And now you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows. You want to expand that. I'm going to make this a bit bigger now. And now you want to expand current version. And now we're going to click on the Run folder. We're going to scroll down till we find Run. You want to click on that. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the Run folder. And now once you're on this, if you see Logitech Download Assistant, you want to right click on it and then click on Delete and then click on Yes. Now after you delete that, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.